Alright, I got day 3 going of my Civivi 4.5 challenge from HT's EDC. I'm still using my buck number 684. I'm going to use it to dice some avocado I've got here. It'll slice through that cover avocado sheath, rind. Got that, then a little spoon out. That's fun. And then I take a spoon, add a couple tablespoons of salsa into that diced avocado, and there we have it. I cut the steak earlier with it. I'll be cooking that up here in a couple minutes. It'll make a good amendment to my brunch today. Little salsa, steak, avocado, and yogurt, and a little bit of food prep with a Buck Model 684. All right, that's fun. Talk to you soon. Now the Civivi 4.5 has been a pretty fun challenge. It's not very long challenge, and it's not a burden carrying this small fixed blade buck Model 684. In fact, it's kind of fun getting it. I switch it out with some other knives that I carry. The sheath's easy on the belt. Carries real smooth, and like I was saying originally, you can adjust it so it doesn't jam you up when you're driving. The blade is quite utilitarian, and it could make a great hunter, but it's a good food prep knife, and it is a good mountain and woods daily carry knife as well for fixed blade. My other two knives I choose for every day. Lately, I have a Buck 112 Slim Select Ranger that I carry also in a double up with a Swiss Army knife, an SAK Victorinox pouch. And I have these two, which are both Civivi knives. This one being Mini Praxis, and it goes well with the SAK Tinker model, which is very fun and a practical knife to have. Everybody likes the Phillips head. And then there's the other knife selection would be the Civivi Elementum. And then it goes well with the SAK Spartan corkscrew and all the usual suspect blades. Nobody doesn't know what the usual suspect blades are with a SAK Victorinox. These are very reasonable, both price-wise and in terms of carry capacity. They're not overwhelming like some of them. They've got a couple of ones that you need a semi-truck to. I think you can have an anti-aircraft battery installed in a SA, some of the larger platforms. Oh, enough levity on that. All right, we've got the Civivi everyday carry mid-size blade knives, the Elementum and the Mini Praxis, and they go well with my fixed blade Buck 684, along with the Challenge Fix E45 from HT's EDC. Get a chance to go check his channel out. It's always fun. All right, knife nuts. God bless you. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and be well.